what a car this is. You don't see many in Fuji white. This beautiful 2019 registration Range Rover SVR with 23,000 miles on, full Land Rover service history, most recently serviced at the end of June, just gone, so literally a couple of weeks ago. Today with the live price in this car is 87,990. Now these SVRs, we sell any amounts of them, and I'm being dead honest, I haven't seen many in white with the full black badge and the black grills. This is stunning, loads of extras, still has the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty until the car turns 3 years old, and it's absolutely beautiful. Like I said, 575 brake horsepower, the sound, the performance, 4-wheel drive, lots of room, and it ticks every single box, and that is why we sell so many of these cars. Now this one's a new model car, remember, so you have the new headlights, the new interior, but this is, like I said, has a few more extras. So first of all, you've got the lovely LED matrix headlights there with the full LED daytime running lights and the animated LED indicators, which are the sweeping dynamic ones. All the black badging, the black inserts on the grills, the front splitter in the high gloss black, and so is that front section of the bumper as well. You've then got the nostrils in the bonnet as well, the scoops, call it what you want, finished in that lovely high gloss black. Side vents, high gloss black, and then you have the upgraded 22-inch alloy wheels, which is a must-have on a car like this, in my opinion. All the arch kit is colour-coded, which is flared out. This one's then got the fixed side steps as well. High gloss black mirror covers, window surrounds in high gloss black, and the sun protection glass as well. Another extra over and above a standard SVR spec is the soft closed doors. So when you shut the doors, they suck in nice and softly. You've got comfort access, so as you walk up to the car, it unlocks, and as you walk away, you press that and it locks for you, and the mirrors fold in. Another thing you'll notice here is the hazard warning and lane assist as well. So if there's a car coming towards you or next to you in the other lane, it'll flash away, so it's keeping you nice and safe. With the Fuji white, you've got this beautiful full SVR black interior with a black dash as well. So again, easy to maintain, nice and crisp and clean. And then if you haven't noticed already, you've got very expensive carbon fibre full inlays. Now I use the word full because I've seen some that has just the carbon fibre on the centre dash, the top dash, but then it's missing on the door cards. Now this has got carbon fibre all over, and I'll show you again. Being the new shape, you have the ambient lighting in the SVR where you can choose all the colours, navigation, Apple CarPlay. Another extra is a full tilt and sliding panoramic roof. And on the SVRs, you get that beautiful Alcantara roof lining with the Alcantara sections on the inner section of the seats. Electric seats and memory seats, both driver and passenger. And it's this bit here. It costs a lot of money, this carbon fibre with the little cubby holes. Carbon fibre up here. The Meridian sound system with the extra speakers front and rear as well. Heated seats front, and the rear passengers got their own climate control, and again heated seats as well. That carbon fibre continues on the rear door cards, and if I may show you, this centrepiece here, that's all carbon fibre as well, and this is lovely, all this. I mean, just look at the finer touches. It is brilliant. You've got this hard back seat, centre armrest which pulls down with more cup holders, the Alcantara again in the Isofix attachments, and just come back in here for one second. Have a look at this here. You've got the SVR embossed into all 4 headrests, and again the lovely touch with that silver trim. It's just an amazing car. LED style rear lighting system, full black contrasting roof. So on the Fuji white with that black roof, again it looks $1 million. Rear badges in black, rear trim, all the LED mirrored finished rear lighting system, massive boot space with a tonneau cover which hides all your valuables. So remember, with the SVRs, and I talk about all the time, if you're going to get a car with lots of power, make sure it's also practical, because sometimes you do need that space for kids, pushchairs, shopping, going away for weekends, golf gear, whatever it may be. Reverse and assist camera there, and then you have the quad tailpipes, 2 on each side with the F1 style rear diffuser, again all colour coded. If you look at the SVR rear bumper, it's completely different to your standard HSC dynamics. You've got the air breathers with a wider stance, and the car's immaculate, no dents, no scratches. The 23,000 miles has been done very carefully, you can see it quite clearly, because there's no wear on the car. The door card, the driver's seat, now this is where it takes most of the impact here. So normally the foam can collapse, there'll be loads of scratches and scuffs, but you can see in this one, it's in a very fine condition. You've then got the the sporty pedals down there with the rubber studs on. Continuous carbon fibre here, the leather dash, and then you've got that more up-to-date full digital dash in there as well, where your navigation gets displayed on there. Other things being the SVR, you've got things like adaptive cruise control, which is a lot better than just normal cruise control because it keeps the same distance with the car in front. You've got heated steering wheel, and then one final time, you've got the carbon fibre steering wheel with the SVR already in there. Twin cup holders, more cubbyhole space down there, and in here you've got a fridge. Really cold, USBs, more 12-volt sockets down there, but how nice is this car? It's everything about it. It's the way the car looks, it's the way they drive. I say all the time, the SVR is a driver's car. You can drive it every day and get out and not get a bad back. You get great visuals, but it's a fun car. It puts a smile on your face because of the way they sound and because of the way they drive. At 87.9, I know it is the best value in the country with a tremendous spec on, because remember, when you're looking at other ones out there that might be £1,000 cheaper, has it got the tilted sliding panoramic roof? Has it got the 22-inch wheels? Has it got soft closed doors, side steps? The answer to a lot of them questions would probably be no, and that's why it's cheaper. Remember, full Land Rover service history, brilliant car in a brilliant condition. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, bye bye now.